Stop believing these 5 lies about content creation. There are a lot and a lot of things flying online about content creation, and if you are not careful, you will get confused. Yes, you will get confused so badly that you will just quit. You will decide to quit. That is what I have seen going on. If you are not strong, if you are not holding your ground very well as a content creator, especially as a new content creator, that is a newbie, are just coming up, you are going to quit because of the different myth, different lies, different don't, different do's that is flying online. So in this video, I want to list out 5 lies that you should not believe about content creation and social media. Okay, if you are a Facebook users, this will help you a lot as well. Okay, because I'm going to mention a lot of things that concerns Facebook in this video. All right, so let's go into it. But if this is your first time coming across my video, my name is P Samson. I am a creative skills advocate and a storyteller. If you have not subscribed to my channel on YouTube, make sure you do that. And if you have not followed me on Facebook, kindly do so. Okay, just search P Samsons and you will get me there. All right,
Pete Samson is here to teach you content creation for video editing, graphic design.
just click on the subscribe button or click on the follow button and you'll get me on any of this platform, so that when I upload a new video you can have access to it. In this video I want to tell you 5 lies that you should not believe about content creation. And the number one, which is very common, I have been seeing videos flying everywhere online talking about this number one, which is that you need iPhone to create an engaging content. Please, I want to beg you at this point, I am not saying that having iPhone is bad. No, I'm not saying that. I'm only saying that at this stage, if you don't have iPhone, it doesn't mean that you cannot create content with the tools or with the phone that you have. If you have a phone, start creating content. Use what you have now and grow with it. All right, with time you will grow and you get a better and best tools or better phones that you can use for your content creation. Do not allow anybody to discourage you from creating content with the kind of phone you have at hand. The reason is it is not solely because of the kind of phone you are having that will make people to watch your videos. No, it is not because you are using iPhone to create video that's why people will watch it or you will have a lot of views. No, it is not also because you are using Android to create video that will make people not to watch it. No, it is the content of your video that will make people to watch it. If your content is valuable, people will watch your video. Even though at the beginning it's going to take a bit of time, people might not really watch you a lot, but it is not the phone that will make you create engaging content. It is your consistency. It is your consistency. If you are consistent with your videos, if you are consistent with creating the video you are creating for your audience, they will watch it. If every day by day they keep on seeing your video, one day they'll be pushed or they'll be moved to watch your video. And so doing, if your video is valuable, is adding value to them, they will keep coming to watch more and more. It takes time and it takes consistency, just like I have mentioned earlier. So that is the number one lie about content creation, that you need an iPhone to create an engaging content that will give you views. No. And now the number 2 lies that you should not believe about content creation is that you need a flashy background. You need a very nice classy background. I have seen a lot and a lot of new content creators, newbies, those who are just coming in, going to pay for hotels, renting beautiful environments just to create video. My dear, you don't need all of that. Yes, you don't need it. You're just wasting your resources. I'm telling you the truth. You don't need all of that flashy or classy background. If you have it, good for you. But if you don't have it, make do with what you have. It is not the background that will make people come to watch your video. I keep saying it is your consistency It is the value in your video. As a new content creator, make sure your video is well packed. If you are giving value in your video, people will come to watch it. Except you want to portray what you are not to the public, make do with your environment, make do with your house. You can arrange your house and have a spot that you can use for your content creation. But if you are doing vlogging, good for you, you can go about spending the money if you have it. But I'm here to tell you that it is not flashy background that will make people watch your video. Just as you have been told, it is good that you have a beautiful background in your content. But if you don't have it, see me, I am in my business place and I have to make video for you. Yes, I have to. I will not leave my business place and go to rent a hotel because I want to create this kind of video for you. May seeing me, you know that I am in my business place. That makes me even more real, that you can even listen to me. If I say something, you can listen to me and believe me, because I am real. This is where I am. I am in the shop and I am creating this content. So if you have your house, why not relax, love what you have, and then use it to impact others? By so doing, with time you will grow and then get better background and then better tools. All right, that takes us to the number 3 lies that you should not believe about content creation. The number 3 lies is that you cannot monetize your profile account on Facebook. When I watched this video, I was surprised because that is not true. It is not correct. You can monetize your profile account as a newbie. I'm saying this to the newbies, those just coming in. Okay, you've not gotten a so large audience. All right, you are just trying to meet up with the demands on content creation. So I'm telling you this, that you can monetize your profile account if the profile account meets the 5 criteria for in-stream ads monetization on Facebook. This is for those who are on Facebook. All right, you can monetize your profile account. All you have to do is to turn on your professional mode. All right, turn on your professional mode and then work towards getting the required view, work towards getting the number of followers, work towards getting your content monetization policy tick green, and all other 5 criteria. The moment you are able to meet those criteria, you can monetize your profile account on Facebook. Nobody should deceive you that you can't monetize your profile account. Number 4 lies you should not believe is that you need follow for follow to grow your page. You don't need follow for follow to grow your page. In fact, follow for follow can damage your page if you are not careful. It has happened to a lot and a lot of people. All these people you are saying, follow me, I follow you. If you are not doing it strategically and tactically, it will affect your page in the long run. So you have to be very, very careful. If you are joining communities and groups that is talking about follow for follow, you have to be very, very, very careful when doing that, so that you will not bring down your page completely. The last lies you should not believe is that you cannot use a violated page, a page that has violation, for monetization. My dear, you can. All you have to do is to go and remove those violations. Go and sanitize your page. My page had violation. My profile account had violation, both on copyright, both on community standard rules. Okay, it has heavy violation. All right, so I had to sanitize my page. That was why I got my CMP ticked. I got my content monetization policy tick green. If your page is not qualified for monetization, that CMP will not be tick green. So that is the number 1 evidence that your page is okay. So all you need to do is to work on your page. Delete everything that you know is violation on your page. Clean up your page. If you are following people or you are in a group that you know the group has violation, just remove yourself from that group to save your page. All right, so a page that has violation can be monetized. If you delete all the unwanted things on that page, it can be monetized. So do not allow anybody to deceive you, telling you to go and create new page because your page has violation. No, you should clean up the page, delete everything that is not needed, and then use the page for the right purpose, and the page will boom again. Though it might take time, but it will boom again. And also the lies that you need to create new page, it is new people that are new pages that is going viral. No, your old page can still go viral, new pages can still go viral, depending on what you are doing, depending on your content and your consistency. If you're always showing up, there's no way your video will not be recommended to people, especially if your page is good, if your page is well handled and you don't have any violation. Okay, so do not believe these lies, because it will discourage you from creating content. If it will discourage you from, showing up on social media. I hope this helps. If it does, kindly follow this page for more tips on growth, for more tips on video editing, and for more tips on graphic design and storytelling. All right, I remain Peace Samson. See you in my next video. Bye for now.